on the next contestant, please.
Bye-bye! I'm Mococo! Bye-bye!
So cute.
I feel like that was really good.
Yes.
I don't know.
Right off the bat, I think the Goo Goo Gaga. Oh my god, the Goo Goo Gaga. That is amazing. Impeccable Goo Goo Gaga.
For me, I was getting the sound frequencies.
You were getting the sound frequencies.
They were making me feel like that could be a real baby.
Yes. How would you define the sound frequency?
It's the one that like activates your neurons and makes you think like, I need to step in and do something about this baby.
Or the instincts kick in.
Yeah,
or you're
exactly.
like, I have to take care of this baby one way or another.
Yeah.
Be it through violence or tending and caring.
Exactly.
What about baby similarities? Do you think that was pretty similar? From that one baby video you watched 10 minutes ago, do you think that was pretty similar to that?
I feel like it was.
Baby?
It was pretty similar.
That's where it kind of lost me. It's like her Goo Goo Gaga and the want to take care of her were really high, but the baby similarity,
Maybe it was too similar to regular Mococo.
Yes, exactly. It just, I felt Mococo, and I always want to protect Mococo.
You know, you're right. I think I did too.
And it's like, is it that bias that's causing us to feel such a way, you know?
Maybe so.
I'll have to take down some points in sound frequency then, now that I'm really thinking this through. All right. I am putting my vote in on the count of 3.
All right, I'm ready.
1, 2, 3. Our Mococo votes. I don't know what she could have done to be better. Maybe it's me.
She could have been less herself. You know, usually they tell you to be yourself, but in this case, you need to be less yourself. You need to be more baby.
Bring on the next baby! My goodness! I didn't know we would be getting Ckia today.
That was very cute.
That was so cute.
Was that a real baby?
It looked like a real baby.
That was very cute. I feel like I was missing a little bit of the raspiness that you would expect from a cough.
Yeah.
But to me, that was pretty much perfect in the Goo Goo Gagas.
A good Goo Goo Gaga.
And very high on the sound frequencies, too.
She was giving baby. I was feeling the entire vibe of a baby, but it felt like a baby trying to act cute instead of a baby coughing because it had to cough. It was like a baby that's like, I heard it's Christmas and I want a present, you know?
Lacking a little bit of authenticity there.
I felt the baby, but not an authentic cough of a baby. Yes. So baby similarity, good Goo Goo Gaga, sound frequencies. Was not getting that. Was not getting.
We're not getting baby cough.
Not feeling that one. All right, I have my vote.
I've got mine too.
All right, 1, 2, 3. It's still a high baby score.
For me, I don't know. It was just very cute. I had a hard time turning anything down like that.
She was cute. If she came to my home and was like, I was left here on Christmas, and I was like, oh no, we have got to get you to the closest department store so I can buy you some goodies. But I have to be a fair judge.
One of us has to be.
Are you admitting to being biased?
Or am I accusing?
Accusing me? No, bring on the next baby! There's no collusion in this!
Koseki Biboo.
Oh man. She was giving baby the pacifier
really
and everything.
The pacifier, spitting out and then putting it back in. That was very good.
Oh my god, her goo goo gaga. Her baby similarity. I will have to give. This is my first 10 for baby similarity.
She was essentially a baby.
She was baby. But sound frequency, she was coughing a little too much. It's like child coughing plague?
Plague? I'm gonna have to agree with you. I was getting Biboo coughs. And she is a baby, but I wanted to hear sort of a different baby. I wanted to see some of her, her range.
Ah, yes. Because she is so naturally baby. I want to see her try and act as a different baby.
As a different baby.
So she's not so... Like, if I were to... I would hire her as a Biboo baby, but would I hire her as an orphan baby?
Yeah. That's sort of the question.
But what about the... How would you rate her sound frequency?
For me, I think that's where I'm gonna have to dock points for the sound frequency. I think the coughs were just not quite the baby I was looking for, but the goo goo gaga and the baby similarity were both very high.
Yes. I will agree with you there. I will have to dock her in sound frequency, but she's like the perfect model baby. If I want to hire someone for my catalog of a department store and I'm like, I need to hire some fake people that look like a family, she's the perfect baby to wear model clothes. Yes.
That's right.
Okay. I am ready to give my score for this baby. 1, 2, 3. What a beautiful, terrific... She's almost a 9 for you. And then it was almost a 9 too.
They were the two favorites coming in.
They were the two favorites coming into the show.
The pacifier, I was really impressed.
I like that she brought her prop. She knew exactly what her strengths were. She played to her strengths. But
I just wanted to see a little more range. But it's a very solid baby.